Hi everyone. I am Sunny. Welcome back to our channel. If you're struggling with that pesky hanging belly fat that just won't seem to go away, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to reveal the top 5 exercises that are specifically designed to target and eliminate that stubborn hanging belly fat once and for all. So, let's get started. Our first exercise is the reverse crunch. Lie down on your back with your knees bent and lift your legs in the air. Now, slowly bring your knees towards your chest while lifting your hips off the ground and lower your legs back down. Next up, we have the plank. Get into a push-up position, but instead of resting on your hands, lower yourself down onto your forearms. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe and engage your core. The Russian twists. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and lean back slightly while keeping your back straight and lifting your feet off the ground. And twist your torso to the right and left with weight or without weight. Another excellent exercise for targeting the hanging belly fat is leg raises. Lie down on your back. Keeping your legs straight, lift them towards the ceiling and slowly lower them back down without touching the ground. Bicycle crunches. Lie down on your back, your hands behind your head, your knees bent. Lift your shoulders off the ground, bring your right elbow towards your left knee while straightening your right leg. Then, switch sides. And there you have it, the top 5 exercises to help you say goodbye to that hanging belly fat. Remember to incorporate these exercises into your regular workout routine and pair them with a healthy diet to maximize your results. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thank you, everyone. I look forward to seeing you soon.